Alright, so it is currently 10:58. The required weekly test on WBNS-10 is supposed to be happening in any minute now, so I'm gonna call with some friends right now. Yeah. Say hello to YouTube, everyone.
Hi. Yo, what? Rebecca, your mic sucks. This is my tire.
It's because I'm using my phone microphone, guys. What is your...
Why are we on YouTube?
Because I'm gonna record the required monthly test that might be happening in 1 minute. Or weekly. Yeah, weekly.
Required decadely test.
Yes, bro.
American Weather Techs, where the savings are huge and the process is simple.
This has been a test of the emergency alert system. Chief Meteorologist Ashley Barrison, weeknights on 10 TV.
Well, you never can predict the hitch. Bypass is still like a dream. Now there's a bow, which doesn't want to be found.
The search continues.